Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This printer is Canon Pixma TS3752i. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy, and scan. This printer and mobile device both are currently connected together. What I want to do is to show you how to reset the printer. This printer is currently showing us online. To reset this printer, you need to go to stop button, select this button to number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It will show you 10 on the screen. Then you need to select black or color button to reset the network. The printer is now flashing, and if you look on the network, the Wi-Fi image is now cancelled and the Wi-Fi display is off and is back on. So this printer is no longer connected to a network. If you look on the mobile device, it's now showing us offline. So this is how to reset the network. If you want to reconnect it, then you need to select wireless network button, then press this button to put the printer in a wireless mode. This button is wireless connect button. Press this button to select Wi-Fi network. Select this button to select wireless connect. Then the printer will be connected with the mobile device. If you want to reset or clear all settings, you press this button, setup button to number 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It will show you 17. Then you select black or copy. It will clear all factory settings, all settings. So this is how to reset the printer, and if you want to connect it, it will show you the network, Wi-Fi network, for you to reconnect it. So select number 17 to reset the printer. You can also select LANs reset, which is Wi-Fi network reset. If you want to reconnect it, then you press this button and also select this button to connect it back to Wi-Fi network. So this is how to reset the printer. Thank you very much indeed.